In today's video, I'm just going to follow through with the IWM setup that we had recently. We had support between the 236.69 to 237.47 area. It hit, it held, it triggered. We have all the moving averages on the side of the bulls here. We're above the 200 simple moving average. We're above the 50 simple moving average, and the 513 EMA combo is still in a buy mode with the 5 above the 13 EMA. But what you don't know is what would be in the way of reaching our potential upside target, which comes in at the 249.79 area. Well, we have to look at the retracements. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to click on the prior high to low. You can see that we have not yet cleared the 618 or the 786 back to the last high. But there's something else we have to look at. We have to take this low to this high, project from this low, because that may also offer resistance. So we're grabbing that low to high, projecting from the low. Okay, so that overlaps that 618. And then there's a new swing to work with. We also have a high to low that we can run the extensions on. And then we also have a low to high, and we can run a new projection from the low. So let's add those two. So here's the extension, high to low. Okay, and then let's also run the projection. We take the low to the high and project from the low. Okay, and you can see that now we have two very important hurdles of resistance that we're going to need to clear if this is indeed going to continue up towards the target. Now, the buy side is still favored because all the averages are still on the side of the bulls. But this is really important. So we have this area here, 243.50 to 243.89, as an important hurdle on the way up. I mean, if you get a little bit closer to it, you may want to ratchet up your stops on longs. And then the next one after that includes that symmetrical projection, 244.78, the 786 retracement at 245.12, and a 1618 extension that comes in at, well, it's a little bit hard to see this one, 245.11. Okay, so 244.78 to 245.12, and then the other one here. Those are the important hurdles that we need to clear if we are indeed going to head towards this upside target. But so far so good, but we're getting close to this important hurdle. Hope that helps. If you have any questions, please leave them for me on YouTube, and I'll see if I can get to those.